This is Corey from Blind to Billionaire. I am headed into the Animal Kingdom Lodge to check in. We are in the Jambo House, so we will see what we think. And this is our first time here. We haven't been here before, and also I would say I've not done a ton of research, so it just kind of makes it fun, and that it's just all kind of beautiful and new and different. This is the lobby. It looks beautiful in here. We're gonna check in. This is what the check-in desk area looks like. Kind of all kinds of things here. I feel like it's a little bit hard to see in this light. Actually, if I go this way. Beautiful. Hey guys, this is our first animal sighting. We have some giraffes. I see two. Karen saw, oh, there's the third. He's stretching. I don't know if I can even get him in here, but he's doing like a solid downward dog. I don't know if I can even point to him. I don't know how that would work. Yeah, it's not a good system. Yep, so there's one in the middle of the screen, one to the very left, and one kind of in between those two. And then there's some kind of a bird around too. So it's pretty cool. Just thought I would share the first animal sighting. I am right kind of in front of the Boma check-in now. That is the buffet at Animal Kingdom. It's really pretty inside. We took like a culinary tour yesterday and it was pretty fun. And then if we walk over here, Chico is closed right now, but this is the cooking place, and this also is a beautiful restaurant on the inside. And we haven't eaten here yet, but definitely people rave about this place. So this is just a little view into the restaurant. Hi guys, this is Corey. I'm going to walk over this bridge on the 5th floor of Animal Kingdom Lodge. On either side of me is the lobby, and so you can see, I don't know, as you cross over this like fun bridge, you can see the lobby.
This is the outside of the bridge, and Corey will cross over, and it looks like it might be wiggly, but it's very sturdy on the bottom. But it's kind of fun. And then the view below is the lobby, which is also, it's very beautiful. But they play the drum almost 24 hours a day, we feel. And sometimes that gets a little much, a little loud and noisy. But I guess it all depends what you like. We like probably a little more quiet atmosphere where we can chat together and not always have the pounding of the drum. But it definitely gives you that African feel, I would assume. And it's very beautiful in here, as you can see.
I wanted to show you the picture of the what the hotel hallway looks like. And one thing I wanted to point out on the floor here, okay, apparently it's not this floor. This floor has like animal print, but some of the floor has hidden Mickeys on it. Like in here you can see this hidden Mickey. And then there's other floor here, and there's hidden Mickeys in that, which my sister and I thought were cool. And this is what the outside of the doors look like. So they're kind of fancy. And then there's windows everywhere where you possibly, oh, I see an animal. There's an animal, kind of, there's a tree, and then way back there's an animal. And there he's kind of moving his head. I don't know what kind it is. It has horns and stuff. And then this area, I think this maybe is a pool area that's being remodeled or something. It's raining out right now. So there's just a quick view of what the hallways look like here. Kind of pretty lights. lobby of Animal Kingdom Lodge, and there's a guy who is making wood carvings using this kind of like an axe-like knife. Here are some of his finished products. Thank you for watching my video about the Animal Kingdom kind of lobby hotel. I just wanted to kind of show you what it looks like in here, kind of get an idea of just what the inside of this beautiful hotel is like. So I thank you for watching, and if you would like to subscribe, please feel free to do so down below. If you have any questions or comments, I would love to hear from you. Otherwise, keep your eyes open for more videos to come. Thank you.